Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Let's now talk about hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, it's a part of brain It develops from ectoderm of embryo. Develop from ectoderm of embryo. It is located, hypothalamus is located at the floor of diencephalon. Diencephalon of forebrain. And it's near to pituitary gland. This hypothalamus is act as a connective link between nervous system and endocrine system. So it acts as a connective link between nervous system and endocrine system. This hypothalamus are formed by, it's formed of mass of cells called hypothalamus nuclei. Hypothalamus nuclei. So it is formed of mass of cells called hypothalamus nuclei. This hypothalamus nuclei consist of neurosecretory cells. Neurosecretory cells. This hypothalamus, the weight of hypothalamus is 4 grams. Thickness of hypothalamus is 3 to 4 millimeters. So right, hypothalamus is a part of brain. It develops from the ectoderm of embryo. It is located at the floor of diencephalon of forebrain near the pituitary gland. It acts as a connective link between nervous system and endocrine system. It is formed of mass of cells called hypothalamus nuclei. It consists of neurosecretory cells. The weight of hypothalamus is 4 grams and thickness is 3 to 4 millimeters. So neurosecretory cells produce hormones. These are regulating a wide spectrum of the body functions. So neurosecretory cells produce hormones that regulates a wide spectrum of body functions. This hypothalamus is connected to anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Connected to anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Anterior lobe of pituitary gland by hypophyseal veins. So anterior lobe of pituitary gland, this hypothalamus is connected to anterior lobe of pituitary gland by hypophyseal veins, whereas it is connected, hypothalamus is connected to posterior lobe of pituitary gland, posterior lobe of pituitary gland by mainly by axons of neurosecretory cells. Neurosecretory cells. Axon of neurosecretory cells. So it's oftenly called control center of supreme commander of endocrine gland regulation. So hypothalamus is oftenly called control center of supreme commander of endocrine glands regulation. Hypothalamus and hormones. Hypothalamus secretes hormones. Hypothalamus secretes hormone. The cells of neurosecretory cells. That means neurosecretory cells. Neurosecretory cells. The neurosecretory cell secretes hormones, secrete at least 9 hormones. So neurosecretory cell secretes 9 hormones. So neurosecretory cells of this hypothalamus secreted, hypothalamus secretes 9 hormones. These neurohormones, these are called hormones, 9 hormones called neurohormones. These neurohormones are also known as releasing hormones. Releasing hormones or factors. Releasing factors or hormones or inhibitory factors. Inhibitory factors or hormones. So neurosecretory cells of hypothalamus secrete at least 9 hormones. These hormones are called neurohormones. The neurohormones are also known as, they are otherwise known as releasing factors or inhibitory factors. Now let's see the one after one these hormones. Number one is, let's see the number one hormone. Number one is adrenocorticoadrenocorticotropic adrenocorticotropic hormone. Adrenocorticotropic hormone. This is usually known as ARH, adrenocorticotropic releasing hormone. Adrenocorticotropic releasing hormone. The full name is a releasing hormone. This is usually called ARH, adrenocorticotropic releasing hormone, ARH, or this is also known as corticotropic releasing hormone, corticotropic releasing hormone, CRH. It stands for corticotropin releasing hormone. Adrenocorticotropic releasing hormone, it stimulates, this hormone stimulates, adrenocorticotropic hormone stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland, anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete adrenocorticotropin, adrenocorticotropin. So adrenocorticotropic releasing hormone, this is commonly known as usually called ARH or else CRH, means corticotropin releasing hormone. This hormone is stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete adrenocorticotropin. Now coming to the another hormone. So next hormone is TRH, thyrotropin releasing hormone, thyrotropin releasing hormone, usually called TRH. It stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland. It stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete thyrotropin. To secrete the thyrotropin. Now coming to the another hormone called growth hormone releasing hormone, GHRH, stands for growth hormone releasing hormone. So growth hormone releasing hormone, it also stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Stimulates anterior lobe of the pituitary gland to secrete growth hormone, to secrete a growth hormone. So growth hormone releasing hormone, it is secreted, it stimulates the anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete a growth hormone. So another hormone, growth hormone, inhibitory hormone, that stands for growth hormone inhibitory hormone. So growth hormone inhibitory hormone is usually called GHIH. It stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete so growth somatostatin, to secrete somatostatin, means it inhibits the growth of a body. Now, another hormone is called gonadotrophic releasing hormone. Gonadotrophin releasing hormone. So gonadotrophin releasing hormone. It also stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete gonadotrophin releasing hormone that stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete the two hormones called FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. So follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Now another hormone, that is PRH. Another hormone called PRH means prolactin releasing hormone. Prolactin releasing hormone. It secretes by the anterior lobe of pituitary gland. It stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete prolactin hormone. Means lactating hormone. We can call it as prolactin. It is a milk hormone. Prolactin. And now another hormone, see that is a releasing hormone, this is inhibitory hormone. So inhibitory hormone, prolactin, inhibitory hormone, prolactin inhibitory hormone. It stimulates anterior lobe of pituitary gland to secrete prolactin inhibition. So it inhibits to suppress. It inhibits prolactin. So prolactin hormone is released, that is PRH, prolactin releasing hormone. This prolactin inhibit, that is prolactin inhibitory hormone. As I said, what is there? Hypothalamus neurosecretory cells are releasing two kinds of what hormones. One is called as releasing hormones, other one is called inhibitory hormones. So releasing factors or inhibitory factors. Now let's go on to the next another hormone called MSH. It stands for melanocytic stimulating hormone, melanocytic stimulating hormone, releasing hormone. MSH means melanocytic stimulating hormone. Melanocytic stimulating hormone, that is what it stands for, releasing hormone. So melanocytic stimulating releasing hormone. So it stimulates, here we need to say a little carefully, it stimulates a middle lobe of pituitary gland, middle lobe or intermediate lobe. Intermediate lobe of pituitary gland. It stimulates middle lobe of pituitary gland or intermediate lobe of pituitary gland to secrete MSH, melanocytic stimulating hormone. Now the last hormone is MSH-IH, inhibitory hormone. So it is inhibitory melanocytic stimulating inhibitory hormone. Inhibitory hormone. So this this hormone stimulates again the middle lobe of pituitary gland, middle lobe of pituitary gland to inhibit MSH. Its main purpose is to inhibit. It inhibits MSH, melanocytic stimulating hormone. So this is in the case, what is the MSH? Lobe is mainly the meant for stimulate the secretion of stimulate the middle lobe of pituitary gland to secrete MSH, to secrete here to secrete, stimulate middle hormone to secrete inhibitory hormone. So I hope you all understand this. So the hormones of this pituitary gland, hypothalamus secretes 9 hormones. They are mainly ARH, or else we can say ATH. Other one is GHRH, growth releasing hormone, and third one is growth inhibitory hormone. Another one is gonadotrophic releasing hormone, prolactin inhibitory hormone, melanocytic stimulating releasing hormone, and melanocytic stimulating inhibitory hormone. These are the 9 hormones it secretes, stimulate. These hormones are secreted by anterior lobe of pituitary gland and posterior lobe of pituitary gland. So these are the various hormones secreted by hypothalamus. These hypothalamus hormones and all this. I think I hope you all understand this. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.